Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable open links in app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on choose default apps and then scroll down and click on opening links. Now here you will see a open links in apps button. So if you want to disable open links in apps, then turn off this button. And if you want to enable open links in apps, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can enable or disable open links in apps in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.